Friends, today we have discussed intersection of solids. Introduction, cases in this chapter and marking scheme of this chapter. So firstly, interpretation of solids. So what do you mean interpretation of solids? When one solid penetrates another solids, then their surface intersects, and at the junction of intersection a typical curve is formed, which is remain common on both sides, and these curves called as curves of intersection, and that is a result of intersection of two solids. So next, what is the purpose of intersection of solids? So the purpose is when two objects are to be joined together, maximum surface contact between both become a requirement for strongest and leak proof joints. Next, the curves of intersection being common on both intersecting solids show exact and maximum surface contact on both solids. So, following are the solids shown in the figure. Study carefully. So, first is a square pipes. So, in square pipes, side view is a rectangle and front view is a square. In circular pipes, and their point of contact is only one. In circular pipes, side view is a circle and front view is a circle and side view is a rectangle, and contact is line contact. So similarly, in second figure shows the how the maximum contact between both solids become strongest and leak proof joint in square pipes and also circular pipes. So any query in this? Okay, so next, so solid in a real world, so it is a combination of two or more solids as shown in figure. So it is used in, so basically this joint is used in plumbing. So it consists of combination of two slides which is shown in meshing structure, and which is designed by using softwares and complete with the help of softwares. Next, so curves of intersection. So curves of intersection is a common to intersecting all points. So some figures, first is a cone, second is cylinder with cylinder, fourth is a four jaws, four connection points, and next is a intersection of solids with spheres. So what is the intersection? So transverse regions shows that what is a intersection. It shows the actual picture of that machinery parts. In second, it shows some common machinery parts. So in these types of intersecting solids and manner in which they are intersects. So prism, pyramid, all prism and pyramids intersecting on this device. So next, when two solids bounded by plane surface such as prism and pyramid penetrate each other to obtain straight line and their line of interaction. So the line of interaction between plane surface and curved surface of two solids is prism and cylinder. Similarly, interaction between two curved surface of solids as a cylinder and cone. Similarly shown in this manner. So in this chapter shows some cases. First is axis perpendicular and intersecting, axis perpendicular and offsets, axis inclined and intersecting, axis inclined and offset, axis parallel and coinciding, and last one axis parallel and offset. So some actual objects are shown their curves of intersection using white arrows. So first is a a machine component having two intersecting a machine component having two intersecting cylindrical surfaces which the axis acute angle and each other. So next industrial dust collector intersection of two cylinder which is shown by white side. So in earlier we shows some curves interaction by white arrows. Next is a machine component intersection of cylinder, mains and branch pipes. So with the help of white arrows. So next a feeding hopper in an industry. So next with the help of white arrows shown curves interaction some actual parts. Next forge end. We are already know the what is a forge end. It is used in IC engine of the connecting rod. So forge end connect. It is a combination of two solids. Next, a two cylindrical surfaces which is connected by intersecting by two solids. And last one, a pump lid having shape of the hexagonal prism and hemisphere interacting with other. So next, following cases are solved, refer illustrations and note the common construction for all. So first is a cylinder with cylinder. These cases studied in this chapter with the help of drawing deeply. So first, cylinder with cylinder. Second, square prism to cylinder. Third, cone to the cylinder. Fourth, triangular prism to the cylinder. Fifth, square prism to square prism. Sixth, square prism to square prism in skew positions. Square prism to cone and cylinder to the cone. So common solution steps are given in the problem. So first, one solid will be standing on HP, other will be penetrate horizontally. Always remember that the thing in intersection of solids, one solids will be standing on HP and other will be penetrate horizontally. So firstly, draw the three views on standing solids which is rest on HP and name three views as per the illustration. So for example, front view, top view and LHSV or right hand side view. So view the penetrating solid also in a side view. It is a very important thing. The intersection of two solids shown in the side view. So next, mark the number of points and name those points view which are standard generators. So you know the standard generators are edges of the standing solids. In side view, can mark on a respective generator in front view and top view. Other points should be in side view. So the solid which is laid on HP shows front view and top view. So and another point should be shown in side view to the top view. Then first project all points from side view to first front view. Then mark points. So these projection line having dotted or faint lines, and after that project the side views in a top view, and with the help of intersection of front view and top view, the join both intersection points and show the curvature of straight lines. So we know the intersection of solids. In case cone is penetrating solid, side view is not necessary. Remember these things very importantly. In case cone is penetrating solid sides views is not necessary. Similarly, in case of penetration from top is not required. So, in first case, so thank you friends. So another cases and problem discuss later on next lecture. Thank you. So be safe, rest at home and take care. Thank you.